What's up, guys? All right, so it's the next day, and we were, you know, kind of really bummed yesterday that it wouldn't start after, what did it make, what, 483? 480 something and 440, yeah, 450, 460 torque, whatever it was. That's like bottom boost, no timing put in it. It was like super mild to just get it started. It was super smooth. Taylor gave us some more to feed. Taylor's my tutor and my best friend. And he fed some more into it, and we were going to load that in, so I turned the car off, loaded that in to the AEM yesterday, and the car won't turn on. It's been intermittent with the AEM, and I'm really hoping that, so this is the crank sensor, pulled the crank sensor, and basically shaved it about 15 thou. So I took a little bit off of where it mounts to the metal piece, and then I'm just shaving off around it to see if that'll work. Hopefully that's enough. A lot of the time, they're doing a lot of reading. The air gap gets a lot larger when the car's hot. Everything, you know, heat expands, and it won't read. Hopefully, this is the whole reason everything's been happening. AEM's really finicky with this stuff, so we'll see. All right, so luckily, Jared had a motor over here out so that I can kind of check the gap, make sure that it's in, that's not going to be hitting or anything like that, and that looks pretty dang good. It's a little closer, and hopefully that'll be enough for it to be satisfied and happy. So let's just cross our fingers, everybody, and say a prayer. I didn't get it on video because honestly, like, I'm scared of the juju, but we're fucking in, baby! Sync pretty much right away. Oh my God, hopefully that helps somebody out there. Like, honestly, I thought all was lost. I was looking at Haltex today. Oh my God, dude. Yeah. Oh, baby. Keep doing that. I love you. Mwah. Little pat, dash pat. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm sorry. I love you. Let's go. All right, baby. Let's fucking do this.
Dyno man pro. I was watching the RPM there and it stuck at 6.
Oh, it might have done the thing?
I didn't know what the hell I revved it to, but I didn't hit the limiter.
Woo!
See how it does that shit?
Weird.
Don't do that in the first one.
Yeah, that's odd.
Anyway,
Was that?
I would have been pretty.
You would have You would have been right. Should we load another one? I mean, that was a clean pull.
Yeah.
What's the ethanol content? Does it hit 70? It still says 67. I could have them lower it to 65. I mean, it's...
You just had so much fuel in it.
I guess.
Freaking need X98.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were really full for a second.
Okay. Alright, so basically, we did that pull, and then went to start it again, loaded a new tune, and it didn't start again. Basically, once the engine was hot, metal expands under heat, and that sensor, that air gap between the crank sensor and the actual reluctor is going to be larger because of that. So I pulled it out, I shaved some more off, and she's running again. And I'm really feeling like this is the fucking time. So I'm gonna guess 5 with the. I don't know how much fuel he put in it. I think he lowered the E-table a little bit to go full in. Right now it's at like E68. Usually we're all in like timing wise on E70. So I'm guessing 550. In there? What do you think?
Probably 535.
Okay. All right. I like these guys.
535.
I like that's realistic. All right. Let's get it.
We'll see.
said, I was pretty close. He said 517 the first time, I think.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah. A little bit. Now we need it. All right, Taylor, give me the boost. It's so smooth. Mwah. Chef's kiss.
Fire?
But a little baby bun. No, I don't need more. Huh?
I think it.
Huh?
It must have blown time in your boot.
Wonder what. Yeah, that.
It's probably not happy.
In. What do you think it's pissed off about? They come and say that. Weird. All right. Let's go! I love this car! Alright, what do we make? Shit, yeah! That's
definitely not fire.
what do you say?
That had to shoot fire.
Oh, big fire, big fire. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so it's Friday, June, whatever. No, it's the 31st of May. Okay, yeah. So, all right, I was at work today, and Jared was on pretty much with Taylor the whole entire time. And, I mean, what'd you think?
Sounds good, runs good.
We're
Makes
fucking
pretty
back!
good power.
So, yeah, look, so, I mean...
For E67 and 93 degrees.
Yeah, in the shop, like... And
not bad.
Honestly, I'm, like, mega stoked about this, just because, like, all right... 591 here, 93 degrees out. It made 581 on the previous setup. Granted, it was like, what, they're 8.5 to 1, the GCD box? Yeah. So it's 8.5 to 1. This is probably more like 10 to 1-ish. So we bumped compression. It loved more timing. I think that was 23 degrees. I think that was about 20, I think that was 23 or 24 pounds and 23 degrees of timing, or 22 degrees of timing. So we're going to pull, he pulled 2 out for the street. So realistically, it's probably going to make like 580 or so on the street. But 591 in this temp, when it made 581, it was the dead of winter in Georgia, like 40 degrees out.
And again, that's low E content.
Yeah, and so we'll come back one of these nights.
So it's on. I bet
like, we'll make that 600 number. But dude, like, I couldn't be more
it.
stoked. Yeah. I'm gonna go bring it home, put it back together. I'll show a video when it's back together. But yeah. Fucking thanks, dude. We're back. And what, next we're gonna cruise in the Supra? We're gonna go do some Supra things?
Street stuff.
Yeah, let's go terrorize the the Charlotte streets. Again, thank you, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.